In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a remainder using a long division method. Okay, let's look at our first example. First step here, we have to divide. Our answer is equals to 683. I know if you divide these two numbers, you are going to get a decimal number. But I'm just going to ignore all the numbers after a comma. I'm just going to take all the numbers before the comma, which is 683. Then I'm going to write 683 in this form. Then my next step after this one, I'm going to multiply. Answer is equals to 16,200. Then I'm going to let 16,200 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus from 18,450. And my answer is 2,250. Then I'm going to multiply again. The answer is 2,160. Then I'm going to let 2,160 to be negative, then minus. Answer is 90. Then I'm going to multiply for the last time. So it's 27 times 3. Answer is equals to 81. I'm going to let 81 to be minus, then I'm going to minus 90 minus 81. Answer is equals to 9. Then 9 final answer. 9 is a remainder, or you can say 9 remains. Okay, let's go to the second example. Step, we're just going to divide. Then I'm going to write our answer in this form. Then my next step after this one, I'm just going to multiply. And my answer is 57,400. Then I'm going to let 57,400 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus from 76,287. And my answer is 18,887. Then I'm going to multiply again. And answer is equals to 17,220. Then I'm going to let 17,220. Then I'm going to minus. Answer is 1,667. Then I'm going to multiply for the last time. Then answer is equal to 1,435. I'm going to let 1,435 to be negative. I'm going to minus. Answer is equal to 232. Therefore, 232 is the remainder, or we can say 232 remains. Okay, let's continue. This one is the final answer. All right, let's do this one. First step here, we have to divide. So answer is 254. I'm going to write 500, it's 554. Then I'm going to write 554 in this form. It's 420, then 500. If you add 4 plus 20 plus 500, we are going to get 524. Then my next step after this one, I'm just going to multiply. Answer is equals to 31,500. I'm going to let 31,500 to be negative. I'm going to minus from 310 from 33,000 indeed. I'm just going to minus. Then answer is 1,530. Then I'm going to multiply again. Answer is equal to 1,260. Then I'm going to let 1,260 to be minus. Then I'm going to minus. Therefore, answer is 270. Then I'm going to multiply 63 times 4. Answer is equals to 252. Then I'm going to let it 252. Then I'm going to minus. Therefore, answer is equals to 18. So 18 is a remainder, or 18 remains. This one is a final answer. Okay, here is the last one. First step here, we have to divide. Answer is 1,484. Then I'm going to write 4,484 in this form. 480, 400, and 1,000. Then my next step after this one, I'm just going to multiply. Then my answer is equals to 44,000. Then I'm going to let 44,000 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus from 65,309. Answer is 21,309. Then I'm going to multiply again. Then answer is equals to 17,600. Then I'm going to let 17,600 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus. Answer is equal to 3,709. Then I'm going to multiply 4 times 80. Answer is equals to 1,520. Then I'm going to let it 520 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus. Answer is equals to 189. Then I'm going to multiply for the last time. 44 times 4, answer is equals to 170. I'm going to let 176 to be negative. Then I'm going to minus. Therefore, final answer is 13. Or 13 is a remainder. Or we can just say 13 remains. So thank you for watching. This is the end of the video.